Hi, boys and girls. I want to take you through this reading and science slide. I know you've already seen a couple of these, but there's so much stuff in these lessons, and I want to make sure that you are able to find everything. I don't want you to miss out on some of the cool activities and things that Scholastic has for you to do in here. So when you get to this slide, the first thing that you're going to do is click this button right here that says here. It says click here to get to the Scholastic website. Then we're going to go to find day 3 in this picture right here. So I'm going to click right there. Sometimes you might have to click more than once. And I come to this screen. I'm going to scroll down until I find those baby animals where it says day 3. Here it is right here. Now there's 3 sections. There's 2 books that you can read with some activities. There's a really cute video. Look at that cute little kangaroo peeking. And then there's an activity you can do, and it's in English and in Spanish. So let's look up here first at the 2 books. It says Take Me There. I'm going to click on Take Me There. And it will take me to this awesome website called Bookflix. And here are the 2 books that you can watch and read. So you can click this button if you want to watch the story. Looks like that. And you can read along with the words on the page. Okay. Or you can come over here and click read the book, and it will open up a nonfiction book, and you can read along with that as well. Okay, so you have a fiction option in each of these and a nonfiction option. Remember, fiction is real, or is not real. It's all make-believe, sorry. And nonfiction is real. You can tell by the photographs, the cute little animal babies. That's so cute. So here's where you start. You watch the story, the fiction story, you read the nonfiction book, and then here it has some puzzles. You can play a word puzzle.
Click on the word and matches. Match all the words to cover babies roll over and turn to the same word.
So you're going to use the clues to find the pictures, and as you can tell, it reads the directions for you. I love it when it does that. The next one is fact or fiction. There you go. I'm going to mute that, but you can tell that it gives you the directions, it tells you what to do, and then you just have to click on the correct answer. And here's one called Which Came First. And here's where you have to put things in order: first, next, and last. And you should be really good at that because we have done that. We've done a lot of retelling with putting events in order. This last part is called Dive Deeper. You can explore the web, and if you click on this, these are all kinds of different websites and activities that you can go to learn more about baby animals. Here's one called Listen and Learn Hello Baby Panda. You click the Go button, and it will take you to a little website where you can read about baby pandas. Oh, looks like I need to go back to the beginning. Somebody has already looked at that one. Hopefully yours will start on the first page. Look at that cute little baby panda. Here's an activity called What's It Called? You can learn animal names or baby animal names. An Animal Babies word search game, so you can click on Go and check out the different, if this happens, remember, click on the puzzle piece and then click Allow, and it should pop right up. This one looks like, oh, there it is. Sometimes you have to look around for it a little bit. It says click to play. And then there's a word search with all the baby animal words that you can find. Here's some information about an endangered pygmy hippo. A spy in the wild. A crocodile mom scoops up babies in its mouth. Oh, that's kind of cool. What is spring? You can go to the Denver Zoo to learn about Komodo dragons. Here's baby animals on PBS. The San Diego Zoo, the Arctic Frontier. There's so many things you can explore in this Explore the Web. And then the last thing is Meet the Creators. So you can come and learn more about the author and the illustrator of the books you just read. Pretty cool. So now, if you're done with that, you can X out, go back over here to this video and watch the video. And it's just a short little video about animal babies or whatever we're talking about. There's some vocabulary words you can look at here, and you can take a little quiz when it's over to see what you can remember about the video. And down here's some cool stuff for mom or dad. Here's the keywords and some different things that you're going to be learning in these videos. Close out of that, and here's an activity. So click on do the activity. And this one says, animal babies look like their parents in some ways and different in other ways. What about you and a human adult? So it tells you how to draw a picture of yourself and compare yourself to a grown-up, which is kind of cool. But that is also one of the activities that you can do in the next slide for Mystery Science. So take some time and explore your Scholastic slides today. See what extra information you can learn about all these super cute baby animals. I hope you have fun and enjoy. I know you guys like to learn, especially with nonfiction, and this is a really great place for you to do that. Have fun learning, everybody.